The LFORBB Refrigerator Control Board is a thoughtfully designed replacement module that restores normal cooling performance in many Whirlpool family refrigerators without needing a full appliance swap. Its compatibility with a long list of original part numbers and multiple brands makes it a flexible option when the factory board is no longer available or is difficult to source. Build quality is solid, with components and soldering that feel on par with original equipment, which inspires confidence for long-term use once installed. Homeowners with moderate repair skills can usually install this board themselves using basic tools, avoiding a service call and getting the refrigerator running again in a single session. Clear part labeling and responsive technical support help users confirm they have the correct board for their specific model before opening the appliance, reducing trial and error. For those who rely on a refrigerator daily, this control board offers a practical, reliable way to fix temperature, cycling, or power issues and extend the life of an otherwise sound unit.